Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. Today we're going to learn how to play the song Come Out and Play. Alright, so we're going to break this down into 4 parts. The first part is the verse, and pre-chorus, the chorus, and then I'll teach you guys at the end, teach you guys the picking that you hear. So the first chord we're going to start off with is a C, then an F, and those are the 2 chords you're only going to be using for the verse. So for the strum pattern, it's going to be a down, up, down, tap, and as you guys can see, there's a quick tap right in between there. So here's the little example. So I try to slow it down for you guys so that you could get a feel of it. So now let's add in the chords, starting off with C. And then for those that want to spice it up, instead of playing the C, we can actually add in the C major 7. And then for the F, we can add in the C major 7 also. So this is how it's going to sound like. And then of course you can actually do the picking. But I'll teach you guys that towards the ending of the video. Now getting into the pre-chorus, I'm going to use the same strum pattern. Of course with different chords. I'm going to use a D minor, then a G7, then to a C, and an E7, then an A minor. So here's the example, and you guys can follow along as I play it. And then from there it goes into the chorus. So the chorus is a soft chorus, and you're going to be using 3 chords. So the first chord you're going to use is a C, then an E minor, and an F. So since it's a soft chorus, I'm going to use down strums for the chorus. Then I'm going to switch it with the C major 7. So we finally got to the picking. I'm going to leave the tabs up. You guys can follow along with me or go at your guys' own pace. So the second part of this, you're not going to play the last part, which is the 303. So together it should sound like this. So the second half of it, we're going to be using the chord F, and we're going to be using your pinky now. So we're going to keep the C there, and we're going to use the same picking pattern. So you're sliding your ring finger and using your pinky. And don't forget to lift up your pointer, because if not, then you're going to hit a different note. Just like the first half, you're not playing the 303. So I'm going to put that whole thing together and try to play it as slow as possible so that you guys can follow along. Yeah, thanks again guys for watching. Don't forget to give this video a like, it definitely helps. Subscribe to my channel if you guys want more videos like this, and check out my other videos also. I should have like a cover of this.